Guys, guess what? Sorry about that. So, I need to do something first. Delivery! Ooh, Cassie, can I look? Psych. I eat your followers.
They're poison?
Yes. Ready? People just removed it. I want to show my fans something. But literally, look at this big stump. Ow. Big stump. Look on top of it. Turn off. Close up. I got lots of splinters in there. Okay. So yeah. I got a new trampoline. Other one had a hole. Ah! I'm going to show you. First, let me take my shoes off. There's such a right there. Here we go. Yo, should I do flip? Yo, should I do a front flip real quick? I'm gonna set y'all up real quick. Like, oh my god! Wait, did y'all see it? I'm gonna do it again. No! Sit. She can't even do a flip, guys.
Yes, I can.
Do it. Do one. That's not a flip. Let me show y'all. Let me go. Go!
Keep over me.
Worry! Move.
You're fine.
You're mean. I'm getting off now. Ah! I got fall. Boom. I wish you didn't hit the bar. I'm going inside, kind of hangry.